All right.
That's going to the museum.
Oh, it is. What? This was the train that came through earlier. And remember the gondola you seen on it? Well, we're gonna get some close-ups of it right now. In this 5018. Look at this. It's an old gondola from the Reading Railroad. No patches, none of that. You see? Yeah, Reading number, there's a serial number, 31653. And I can't find the built date of this thing, but yeah, see? Reading. I was told they're taking this gondola to a museum to be preserved. I'm not sure which one though, but I'm not sure if it's not Strasbourg. It would be nice though. Yeah, see, this is the original bogie. You just don't see this every day in active rail service. But yeah, it's an old Reading gondola. Yeah, I can't see where the built date is. It's a lot of rust and corrosion. So I guess that rust or corrosion must have blocked out the built date. But from the looks of it, with these original bogies, I'm thinking it was built somewhere back in the 60s. Either somewhere around in the 60s or maybe the early 70s. But yep. This is amazing. Oh wait, I'm on the tracks. I better get off just in case. There we go. And there's Andy's new passenger cars in the background there. This day just gets better and better. Seeing the 425, an old Reading gondola about to go to a museum to be preserved. This is amazing. All right. I guess that's gonna be it for now. So hope you enjoyed the close-ups of this old gondola. And I'll be back as soon as I can. So in the meantime, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. I'm signing off, but I'll be back, I'm not sure when, but I'll be back soon. Catch you all for now.